A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach.
May I know what's happening to you, Mr. Madriaga? You seem to be crying. Are you crying?
I just remember one moment.
Are you crying?
I just,
You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46. Okay, you may read from 46, Mr. Madriaga. May we inquire from the BJMP, the official custodian, if it is necessary that Ramil Madriaga, while inside this proceeding, is still in handcuff? May we know the protocol? BJMP, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Pwede po natin tanggalin ngayon.
If your rule allows, please do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. May we direct the BJMP? Maybe he should just sit, excuse me, in between PSA and Attorney Camora. Please bear with us, Mr. Madriaga, in between PSA and Attorney Camora. So he will be seated along with the other resource persons. Let us leave the chair for the Vice President vacant because we are extending the opportunity to participate to her so long as we continue this proceeding. In between PSA and COA. May we direct the COMSEC to administer the oath to Mr. Ramil Madriaga. Mr. Madriaga, kindly stand up.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Thank you.
With all due respect to the lawyer of attorney of Ramil Madriaga, Attorney Palad, may we request that you just occupy the seat at the back of Ramil Madriaga. This is to be consistent with our rule that the participation of lawyer is limited only to giving advice to the resource persons or parties in this impeachment complaint. Please provide a chair at the back of Madriaga for Attorney Palad. The oath has been administered to Ramil Madriaga. Now we recognize the Honorable Terry Ridon to continue with his
Madam Chair,
The Honorable De Lima is recognized.
before the questioning of the Honorable Terry Ridon, this representation wishes to make a disclosure.
You may proceed, Honorable De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I wish to inform this committee that sometime in November 2025, I received a letter dated November 17, 2025, a handwritten letter from the resource person, Ramil Madriaga. Nandito po yan. November 17, 2025, handwritten letter addressed to me and sent by Ramil Madriaga. This was coursed through his counsel, Attorney Raimundo Palad. Now, when I received this, because the letter here says about his being unjustly accused and detained, and said that it is because he helped a group of farmers in Mariveles. May tinulungan daw po siyang grupo ng mga farmers ng Mariveles na mga biktima ng land grabbing. At tinuturo po niya si former spokesperson Harry Roque na nasa likod nito. At sabi niya, kahit yung una niyang kaso ng kidnapping, kasi dati na po siyang kinasuhan in 1997 ng kidnapping, ay na-convict siya sa trial court pero na-acquit siya sa Supreme Court on appeal or on review. So humihingi po siya ng tulong sa akin dito sa sulat na ito, which is handwritten. Sinabi rin po sa akin ni Attorney Palad na nung time na yon, I think it was later part of November or a few days after November 17. I don't exactly remember the time or the exact day. Ay meron daw pong gagawin o ginagawa na sort